I'm dialing in a 4-jaw chuck right now, which is probably the worst thing you could probably dial in. Other kids in my class that are 101s get to use 3-jaw, which all tighten automatically. As you can see on the little dial, here, as you see on the dial, it moves whenever I spin it. So that means that it's not dead on. So to get to where it does not move anymore. This side is negative 1,000. That is negative, and there are two negative, or negative 2. That's 0, and that's 3. So you loosen the 3, then you go to where the 0 is, and tighten it halfway, because whenever you're doing a diameter like this, if you take off 50 thou, if you want to take off 50 thou, you have to take off 25 thou first, or if it's 10 thou over, you don't just automatically take 10 thou off until it takes off all the sides. You have to be careful and take it off little bits at a time. So that's not really moving. Alright, so we got to where it'll move between 1,000. We don't want that. So that's a little over. Oh, that's too much. Definitely too much. And that's too much. Okay, that's better. Yes, yes, yes. Ow, that hurts my hand. So, as you can see, not really moving much. Moving between half a thou. So that means I'm very close to getting it done. That's so close, but yet so far. Oh no 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 no! Okay, wait. Am I good? Am I good? Oh, okay, that was almost bad. Yep, I messed it up. Yep, messed it up. So, I'm going to do what probably you should not do because I'm not very good at this. Loosen it all up, then just redo it. So, now it's all wibbly wobbly again. But I can fix that. I can fix that because all I have to do is slowly adjust it again. Oh, can't see with my hand. So you can see how it's all off right there. So that's right there. That's right there. So this one, let's loosen. This one, let's tighten a little bit. Oh, well, that's odd. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, loosen. Tighten. Still got it to 1 under 0. That's 2 under zeros. So take that like that, so it's half. Then where we do this, okay, that's good. That is good. So that's there. That's there. Let's loosen that. Tighten this up. Oh, too much. You just gotta keep working those two sides. That's right there. Where are you at? You're right there. Oh, come on. Don't do this. Don't do this. You gotta work with me here. Oh, come on. Why? Why are you doing this? Wait. This video is just showing you how to fail. Real quick, this is just the print we have to do. That's the overall length, diameter, and the chamfer, and the diameter of the middle part, which is that right there. That chamfer. So we do have a tolerance for all this. Oh, that's not much tolerance. Yay. So right now I have cut a little edge piece off the top of 10 of these. That little tiny edge piece that you can't really see.
All 50 of them. That was then you just go set it up, ding, ding, ding. On the brass.
But they have a little edge piece.
I didn't say tap them. I said start with the knot that you can clean off.
See it now?
Tap already, and you need to finish another third.
Sorry about that, I had to help some people out. So, this is not going the best. As you can see. So we have not fully gotten it to completely dead on, but it is very, very close. Oh, this video ain't too great. So this will just be it's just a fail video. The light.
This vampire season.
So I'm just going to end the video here. We're just making a lot of these. I'm going to center drill them and tap them. Got the driller right there. Collet closer. The collet's in there. That's one of the hammer heads that will screw on. We're going to screw that onto that. We're going to drill right in here. There's going to be a handle. Leave, if you all want, we are selling these. We are making 50 hammers. So if you would like one, leave a comment if you'd like one. Have a good day.